Hello everyone, this is Joanne, teacher at Christ International School. On behalf of Christ International School, this video is presented to you to raise awareness on the fastest spreading pandemic, COVID-19. As we are all aware of, coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that can cause illness in animals or humans. This virus has the appearance of a crown. Crown in Latin is called corona, and that's how these viruses get their name. The virus that caused COVID-19 is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world. This newly discovered virus and disease were unknown to us before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. How does it spread? The disease can spread from person to person through droplets. A person can become sick through close contact with an infected person who coughs, sneezes, or talks. It can also spread when infected droplets land on objects and when another person touches them and then touches their eyes, nose, or mouth. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? There can be a range of symptoms from very mild to severe. Some people may not even develop symptoms. Common signs of infection include fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In most severe cases, there could be pneumonia, organ failure, and sometimes death. There are many cases that people recover from the disease without requiring any special treatment. But older people and those with medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. How can you protect yourself and those around you from COVID-19? Since there is no vaccine discovered so far, the best way to protect yourself is to avoid being exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19. Stay home as much as possible and avoid close contact with others. Wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth when you are out in the public. It is recommended to choose a mask that has 2 or more layers of washable or breathable fabric. It is also important to fit it snugly against the sides of your face without leaving any gaps. It is equally important to clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces like door handles or your phone screens or other surfaces that you would require to touch frequently. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water at least for 20 seconds. And then dry your hands with a paper towel that you can throw away. Turn the water off using the paper towel instead of your hand. Or if you are in a place where there is no provision to wash your hands, then use a hand sanitizer that is at least 60% alcohol. Make sure to rub it in until it is dry. Remember that you need to maintain a distance of at least 2 meters from other people. Make sure to cover your mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing with a flexed elbow or tissue, and make sure to throw the tissue in a closed bin immediately after use. After knowing all these precautionary measures, it is equally important to know what to do if you feel unwell. It's important to stay home if you're feeling unwell. Get rest and stay hydrated. Separate yourself from other people and from the pets in your home as much as possible. If you have a fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, seek medical care immediately. First, call them by your phone if you can, and then follow the directions of your local health authority. Let's follow these steps to break the chain. Stay healthy and let's prevent the spread of COVID-19.